Hi folks, it's about 7:30 at night tonight and John's working late, so I thought it would be nice if I made him a special treat when he got home from work. So today, since St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner, I'm going to be making an Irish soda bread. So let's go get to work. These are the ingredients that we need to make our soda bread. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk, and 1 cup of raisins or currants. First, you're going to take your flour and you're going to add your sugar and your baking soda and your salt. Give it a quick whisk to get everything equally incorporated into your flour mixture. Put your butter in your flour mixture and crumble it up in tiny pieces with your fingers. Add your 1 cup of raisins or your currants. Once you've got all your dry ingredients incorporated, you're going to want to take your egg and your buttermilk and you're going to want to put them together and give them a light whisk. Now's a good time to preheat that oven to 400 degrees. Now pour that buttermilk mixture into your dry mix and just mix it until combined. You don't want to knead it, you don't want to make it tough. Best thing I find to use is a fork. Now you're going to want to turn your dough out onto your counter and shape it into a ball. Now, if you're going to try this recipe, I really suggest that you bake this in an iron skillet. It does a better job, it cooks even, and it's such a rustic thing to make. You kind of have to cook it in a cast iron skillet because it just goes together. Place your dough in your skillet and then take a very sharp knife and cut 2 nice deep cuts, like across this way and this way. What that's doing is it's enabling the loaf to get cooked down into the center. Pop her in the oven. If your loaf gets too brown, just simply put a piece of tin foil over the top of it and that'll stop it from browning. So our bread cooked up really, really nice. It's cooked all the way through. It's got a nice golden color. It looks just the way it's supposed to look. So let's slice into it and see how it looks. bread's really good, and I hope that John likes it. He's had a long day at work, and so I think it's a nice little treat for when he comes home. So, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share if you don't mind, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.